Hi there, Shauna Lynn Simon here from Beyond the Stage Homes, Waterloo Region's #1 choice for creating beautiful homes. And I wanted to talk a little bit today about, for this week's Around the House tip of the week, I want to talk a little bit about your decorating design projects that you've got on the go. We would love to help you with these. I want to give you a few tips for getting started. And #1, obviously for me, I would say definitely call in the professionals. They can help with as much or as little as you want them to help you with, and they can really help you to get started on your project in the right direction from the beginning. This can help you to avoid so many unnecessary costs in the end, and unnecessary work potentially, and also ensure that you're making the right choices for your home, both for yourself, for functionality, for living there, as well as for resale for that home. So the way that we work when it comes to decorating design projects is we always start with what we call sort of an exploratory consultation, where we'll meet with you in the home for, say, an hour and a half or so, sometimes a little bit longer, but in general, they're about an hour and a half meeting. And we can review the areas that you want to address and come up with some solutions for you. And then we can create a bit of an action plan from there in terms of what you would like to see. So perhaps you just want to get some ideas, in which case we can put together some floor plans for you, design concept boards, some general notes and ideas, kind of put pen to paper, put some images together for you and show you what you can do with that space. And then beyond that, you can usually take that report and go shopping, do whatever you need to do, organize your trades, get the work done yourself. But of course, we're always happy to help with that aspect of things as well. We've teamed up with top trades in Waterloo Region, and we're always happy to help to assist on the project any way that you need us to. When it comes to your decorating design projects, you definitely want to ensure that you are budgeting for the project. And this is also something that a professional can help with. We can help you to identify the various costs that are associated. And let me tell you, most of the time when you create a budget for these things, I find homeowners tend to be, on average, 40% off on their estimates in terms of budget. As a designer, we can usually get that down to a good 10%. We always recommend having a 10 to 15% contingency added to your budget once it's created, but we can help you to create a shopping list of the various items and elements that you will need and the various costs associated with it. You never want to under budget a project. Obviously, we understand that budget constraints can limit what you are able to do when it comes to your design projects, but we'll generally recommend holding off on a project rather than trying to do it for a lower cost and compromising the quality that you will get at the end of the day. So it's a little bit about how our design projects start off. Again, like I said, before you start any of these projects, I always recommend speaking with a professional. Our clients definitely find there's so much value in a small investment at the very beginning to ensure that you're on the right track, create an action plan for your project, create that shopping list, create the design concepts, and create everything that you need to have a successful project in the end. So if you are looking for some help with your latest design project, again, we'll do anything from full renovations to simply helping you to rearrange your furniture in your home or work various elements in. Sometimes we work with often we work with couples that are merging two households and trying to figure out how the heck to blend their two styles and all of their items as well. So we can do as much or as little as you're interested in. We do have full service design services available to you. So if you are interested in booking an appointment, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can check out more online on our website at www.beyondthestagehomes.com. Again, I'm Shauna Lynn Simon from Beyond the Stage Homes, Waterloo Region's #1 choice, and we look forward to servicing you and your family and helping you to enjoy your home and live better in your home.